Another way to weave a story about the organizational journey and build momentum is with narrative frameworks. Narrative frameworks allow others to see themselves inside of the story. These structures bring vision and strategy to life. People can see the part that they play and how the effort that they make contributes to the overall success of the organization. Once we do this, it's much easier to build momentum. Let me introduce you to one that I call the aspirational narrative. It's the then, now, next sequence, or past, present, future. Then, the past. What was important to us? What were we known for? How did we do those things? Why did we do them? Now, where are we? What's changed? What's important to us now? Next, the future. Where are we going? Why is this important? What can you expect from us? What do we need from you? Let's try to use this narrative as a way to tell the story of a fast-growing organization. Here we go. As many of you might remember, at the start of our journey, we were quite entrepreneurial. We held a self-reliant mindset. Nothing was impossible to us. Our mission was to get the business up and running. Speed was the key. Our goal was to establish ourselves in the market. We experimented and took risks. If something didn't work, we dropped it, pivoted into a different direction. Not the most efficient process, but it got us down the road fast. We acted like a speedboat. Short, sharp turns were easy, and it got us to where we are now. See, it's at this point, once you set the context, you can then insert a personal, direct narrative story or two that brings some moments to life. Take the time to celebrate the moments that mattered. Call out specific individuals that made a difference and celebrate them. This creates a unified experience. Then you're ready to move on to explain the confusing present now. Over the past few years, we've been hit head-on with a tough economy. Our way of operating was challenged. We're not as nimble as we were before. We're no longer the speedboat, but find ourselves acting more like an ocean liner that was battered at sea. Well, as you all know, we needed to pull into port to stop the bleeding. And this is what we did. We shut things down quickly, and it worked. We got ourselves back to profitability. See, now's the time to bring the next vision to life. As we look ahead, we now realize we're much larger. Decisions are more complex. Stakes are higher. It takes a lot longer to turn the ship. We need to change the way we act and make decisions, and we can't do it alone. We need to collaborate with each other and with our external partners. This is where you can now highlight your mission, purpose, vision, and strategy to create inspired action.